Welcome to Prolingo Talk. Hello, and welcome to Prolingo Talk. I'm Kaif, and I'm very happy that you are here with me today. If you are new to English, please relax. You are in the right place. This podcast is made specially for people who want to learn English slowly, easily, and confidently. If you feel shy when you speak English, that is normal. If you feel confused sometimes, that is also normal. Learning a language takes time. You don't have to rush. You don't have to be perfect. You just have to keep going, step by step, little by little. In this podcast, I will speak slowly. I will use very simple words. I will repeat important ideas. I will help you understand with easy examples and small stories. You can pause the audio. You can listen again. You can relax and enjoy learning. Now, in every episode, we do 3 simple things. First, we listen to a short conversation. Second, we understand the words and phrases. Third, we practice together. Today's topic is something that everyone does every single day, your daily routine. From the moment you open your eyes in the morning to the moment you close them at night. Now, let's listen to the short story. Aisha, you look very sleepy today. Are you tired? Yes, I am a little tired. Did you sleep late last night? Yes, I did. I watched a long movie. I didn't see the time. What time did you lie down on your bed? I went to bed at 12 o'clock. But I didn't sleep quickly. I was thinking about the movie. I slept around 1 o'clock. That is very late. I try to sleep early every day. But this morning, I woke up early. What time did you wake up? I opened my eyes at 7:30. Did you get up immediately? No, I stayed in bed for a few minutes. I felt very tired. Then what did you do? I got up at 7:45 and went to the bathroom. What did you do in the bathroom? First, I washed my face. Then I brushed my teeth. After that, I took a warm shower. Did the warm water help you feel better? Yes, it helped me feel fresh. Sometimes, when I have extra time, I take a bath. I sit in warm water and relax. I like that too, but only in the evening. After the shower, I wore clean clothes and made a cup of tea. That sounds nice. This morning, I also woke up early. What did you do first? I made my bed. I like to keep my room neat. Then I did some housework. I cleaned the kitchen and swept the floor. You worked a lot. Yes, after that, I went to buy groceries. I bought milk, bread, eggs, and fruits. Was the shop crowded? Yes, it was very crowded. I felt tired. After coming home, I made a light lunch. What did you eat? I ate soup and bread. That sounds tasty. I ate rice and vegetables at 1 o'clock. Now what will you do? I will relax for some time. Maybe I will take another shower in the evening. Please sleep early tonight. I will. I will go to bed early and sleep before midnight. Now, let's learn some very useful words. The first 2 words are very important. Wake up and get up. These words sound similar, but they do not mean the same thing. Let's talk about wake up. When you wake up, you open your eyes. You stop sleeping. You are not asleep anymore. Maybe your alarm rings. Maybe sunlight enters your room. Maybe you hear birds. You open your eyes. This is called waking up. When you wake up, your body is still on the bed. You are lying down. Now, let's talk about get up. When you get up, you leave the bed. You sit up. Then you stand up. Then you walk. This is the start of your day. So, remember, wake up equals eyes open. Get up equals leave the bed. Now, let me tell you about my routine. I usually wake up at 7 in the morning, but I don't get up immediately. I lie in bed for 10 minutes. I think about my day. I check my phone sometimes. Then I slowly get up and go to the bathroom. Now let's practice. Say slowly, I wake up at 7 o'clock. I get up at 7:15. Very good. Now let's learn about shower and bath. When you take a shower, you stand under running water. Water falls on your body. You use soap and shampoo. You clean your body. In British English, people say have a shower. In American English, people say take a shower. Both are correct. Now, what is a bath? When you take a bath, you sit inside a big tub of warm water. You relax. You rest your body. Shower equals stand. Bath equals sit. Now, repeat. I take a shower in the morning. I take a bath in the evening. Very nice. Now let's talk about cleaning. Make your bed. This does not mean build a bed. It means fixing your blanket and pillow after sleeping. I make my bed every morning. It makes my room look nice. Now, do the housework. This means cleaning your home. For example, washing dishes, cleaning rooms, sweeping floors, taking out garbage. I do housework on weekends. Now let's learn. Do the shopping. This means going to the market or store to buy things. We say, do the shopping, white heavy check mark. Make the shopping cross mark. It's wrong sentence. I do the shopping on Sunday. Now, let's learn another phrase. Have a late night. This means sleeping very late. If you stay awake after midnight, you have a late night. I had a late night yesterday. Now, go to bed and go to sleep. Go to bed equals lie down on your bed. Go to sleep equals start sleeping. I go to bed at 10. I go to sleep at 10:30. Good job. Now, we are near the end of this episode. You are doing great. You are improving. You are learning step by step. And slowly, when the night comes, everything starts to feel quiet. After a long day, your body feels tired and your mind wants to rest. This is Prolingo Talk, and I'm Kaif. Now imagine this moment. You walk into your room. You turn off the light. You sit on your bed. You lie down. How do we say this in English? Many learners feel confused here. Some people say go to sleep, and some people say go to bed. But these two are not the same. Let me explain in very easy English. When you go to bed, you move to your bed and lie down. You pull the blanket. You feel comfortable, but your eyes are still open. You are still awake. When you go to sleep, your eyes close. Your body relaxes. Your mind becomes quiet. You are sleeping. So the order is very simple. First, go to bed. Then, go to sleep. Let me tell you about my night. I finish my work in the evening. I wash my face. I brush my teeth. I wear comfortable clothes. Then I go to my room and go to bed around 10 o'clock. But I don't sleep immediately. Sometimes I look at my phone. Sometimes I think about my day. Sometimes I just stay quiet. After some time, I go to sleep. Now, say these sentences slowly in your mind. I go to bed at 10 o'clock. I go to sleep at 10:30. Good. Now let's talk about a common problem. Many people go to bed early, but they cannot go to sleep. They feel tired, but their mind is very active. They think about work. They think about school. They think about family. They think about the future. This is normal. I also feel like this sometimes. I lie on my bed. I look at the ceiling. I turn left. I turn right. After some time, I fall asleep. Now, let's talk about something funny. Sometimes people fall asleep without planning it. Maybe you are watching TV. Maybe you are sitting on the sofa. Maybe you are holding your phone. And suddenly you are sleeping. You did not go to bed, but you went asleep. People say, I fell asleep on the sofa. Now let's practice some more. Listen and repeat in your mind. I went to bed late last night. I could not go to sleep quickly. I slept very well yesterday. I feel fresh today. Very good. Now, think about your own life. What time do you go to bed? What time do you go to sleep? Try saying, I go to bed at underscore 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 underscore. I go to sleep at underscore 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 underscore. Perfect. And slowly, the day comes to an end. Your body feels relaxed. Your mind feels calm. And just like that, the night quietly passes, and a new morning slowly arrives. Your alarm rings. Your eyes open. Your body feels heavy, but your mind slowly wakes up. This is the start of a new day. In English, we often use two simple phrases here. Wake up and get up. Many learners feel confused between these two. Let's make it very easy. When your eyes open and you are still in bed, you wake up. When you leave the bed and stand up, you get up. So remember this. Wake up equals open your eyes. Get up equals leave the bed. Let me tell you about my morning. My alarm rings at 6 a.m. I slowly wake up. I stay in bed for a few minutes. I breathe slowly. I feel the air. Then I get up. I go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I feel fresh. Now let's practice. Say in your mind, I wake up at 6 a.m. I get up at 6:05 a.m. Very good. Now let's talk about something real. Sometimes we wake up, but we don't want to get up. We feel lazy. We feel sleepy. The bed feels very comfortable. So we stay in bed for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes. This is normal. Everyone feels this. I feel this too. But when we finally stand up, we feel stronger. Now listen carefully to these sentences. I woke up early today. I got up late today. Both are correct. Now think about your life. Do you wake up early? Or do you wake up late? Try saying, I wake up early. I wake up late. Perfect. Now the morning has started. Your body is awake. Your mind is ready. Slowly, you are becoming more confident in English. And as the night fades away, the soft light of morning slowly fills the room. Your alarm rings. Your eyes slowly open. Your body feels a little heavy, but your mind begins to wake up. This small moment is very important in English. We use two simple phrases, wake up and get up. Many learners mix these two, but the difference is very easy. When your eyes open and you are still lying on the bed, you wake up. When you leave the bed and stand on your feet, you get up. So remember, wake up equals eyes open. Get up equals out of bed. Now listen to my morning story. Every morning, my alarm rings at 6 a.m. I wake up slowly. I stay on the bed for a few seconds. I stretch my arms. I feel the air. Then I get up. I walk to the bathroom. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I look in the mirror. I feel fresh. Now let's practice together. Say these sentences in your mind. I wake up at 6 o'clock. I get up at 6:10. Good. Now let's talk about a feeling we all know. Sometimes we wake up, but we don't want to get up. Our bed feels very soft. Our blanket feels very warm. Our eyes want to sleep more. So we close our eyes again. 5 more minutes. 10 more minutes. This is normal. I also feel this sometimes. But when we finally get up, we feel active. Now listen carefully. I woke up early today. I got up late today. Both are correct. Now think about your own life. Say softly in your mind, I wake up early. I get up early. Or, I wake up late. I get up late. Perfect. And slowly, the morning becomes brighter. Your body feels alive. Your mind feels ready to learn. You are not just listening. You are improving. And now, as your morning begins, you walk towards your daily routine with a fresh mind and a light heart. After waking up and getting up, there is something almost everyone does next. We brush our teeth. We wash our face. These are very simple actions, but very powerful for daily life. Let's learn some easy daily routine sentences. When you clean your teeth, you say, I brush my teeth. When you clean your face, you say, I wash my face. Now, let me tell you about my morning routine. After I get up, I go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth slowly. I wash my face with cold water. I look in the mirror. I feel fresh and awake. Say these sentences in your mind. I brush my teeth every morning. I wash my face every morning. Very good. Now, let's go a little deeper. After brushing and washing, many people take a shower. So we say, I take a shower. Some people use hot water. Some people use cold water. Some people use warm water. You can say, I take a cold shower. I take a hot shower. Now, listen to my story. Sometimes I feel very sleepy. But when I take a shower, my body becomes active. My mind becomes clear. My energy comes back. Now repeat in your mind. I take a shower in the morning. I feel fresh after my shower. Perfect. Now, let's add some more simple daily actions. After shower, people usually comb their hair, wear their clothes, use a towel. So we say, I comb my hair. I wear clean clothes. I dry my body with a towel. Very good. Now think about your own life. What do you do after you get up? Try saying, after I get up, I brush my teeth. After that, I wash my face. Then I take a shower. You are doing great. You are slowly building your daily English. After getting fresh and wearing clean clothes, your day slowly starts moving forward. Now let's talk about food. In the morning, we eat breakfast. So we say, I have breakfast. I eat my breakfast. Both are correct. Let me tell you about my morning food. Sometimes I eat bread. Sometimes I eat eggs. Sometimes I drink milk. Sometimes I drink tea. Now say in your mind, I have breakfast at 8 o'clock. I drink tea. I eat bread. Very good. Now let's learn some simple food-related sentences. When you feel hungry, you say, I am hungry. When you feel full, you say, I am full. After breakfast, many people get ready for work or school. So we say, I get ready for work. I get ready for school. Now, let's move to the afternoon. In the afternoon, we eat lunch. So we say, I have lunch. You can say, I eat rice. I eat vegetables. I eat chicken. I eat dal. Now listen to this small story. I feel hungry at 1 p.m. I sit down. I eat my lunch slowly. I enjoy my food. I feel relaxed. Now practice. I have lunch at 1 p.m. My lunch is delicious. Good. Now, in the evening, we feel a little tired. We drink tea or coffee. So we say, I drink tea in the evening. I drink coffee in the evening. Now think about your daily food life. Say softly, I have breakfast in the morning. I have lunch in the afternoon. I have dinner at night. Perfect. You are doing amazing. You are learning step by step. As the day slowly moves forward, your body and mind start to feel a little tired. That is completely normal. Now let's talk about work, study, and simple daily actions. In simple English, we say, I work. I study. If you go to an office, you can say, I go to work. If you go to school or college, you can say, I go to school. I go to college. Now let me tell you a small daily life story. I wake up in the morning. I get ready. I go to work. I sit at my desk. I start my work slowly. I check my tasks. I feel focused. Now, when you study, you can say, I open my book. I read slowly. I listen carefully. I write in my notebook. When you feel tired while working or studying, you can say, I feel tired. When you need rest, you can say, I take a short break. Now repeat in your mind, I work every day. I study every day. I take a break. Very good. Now let's talk about talking. When you talk to someone, you say, I talk to my friend. I talk to my teacher. I talk to my family. When you use your phone, you can say, I make a call. I answer a call. Now a small, calm story for you. I work quietly. I feel calm. I feel good. I smile. I breathe slowly. This is how simple English becomes part of your life. You don't need to rush. You don't need to fear mistakes. You are learning step by step. You are improving every day. This is Prolingo Talk, and I am Kaif. You are doing great.